So, you're thinking about using Airwallex for your business? Great choice. But where exactly can you use it? That's a fantastic question. Let's dive into the world of Airwallex and uncover which countries are currently on their map. Airwallex, for those who are new to the game, is a financial technology company that's been making waves in the global payments industry. They offer a range of financial services, from money transfers to business cards, all designed to make cross-border transactions smoother and cheaper. But, as with any financial service, availability is key. Now, let's talk about where you can actually use Airwallex. The company has been expanding rapidly, but it's not available everywhere just yet. So, let's break it down. Airwallex's core markets. Airwallex has a strong presence in several key regions. We're talking about places with bustling economies and a high demand for efficient financial solutions. Asia Pacific, this is Airwallex's home turf, and it shows. Countries like Australia, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia are firmly on the Airwallex map. The platform is well established there, offering a wide range of services to businesses of all sizes. Europe, Airwallex has been making significant inroads into the European market. Major economies like the UK, Germany, and France are covered. Additionally, they have a presence in several other European countries, making it a viable option for businesses operating in the region. North America, the United States, being the world's largest economy, is a crucial market for any global fintech player. Airwallex is no exception. They have established a foothold in the US, offering their services to businesses looking to streamline their cross-border operations. Canada is also on the list. Expanding horizons. Airwallex is not resting on its laurels. The company is actively expanding its reach to new markets. While they may not have full-fledged operations everywhere yet, they are exploring opportunities in various countries. So, it's worth keeping an eye on their website and social media channels for updates. Country-specific nuances. It's important to note that while Airwallex might be available in a country, the specific services offered can vary. For example, in some places, you might have access to business cards, while in others, money transfers might be the primary focus. So, always check the specific features available in your country before signing up. A word of caution. While Airwallex is a reputable company, it's essential to do your own research before using any financial service. Understand the fees, exchange rates, and any potential risks involved. Additionally, check if Airwallex is regulated in your country to ensure your funds are protected. Airwallex has made significant strides in becoming a global financial platform. With a strong presence in Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America, they are providing businesses with the tools to operate seamlessly across borders. However, it's crucial to verify their availability and the specific services offered in your country before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.